In this video, I'm going to show you how to do this basic but really awesome hologram inspired effect right inside of Adobe Premiere Pro. So let's get right into it. So there's two shots that you need to get for this. The first is just a shot of yourself or a shot of your subject just scrolling in the air pretending to interact with a hologram. But at the same time, you want to have your phone screen recording just out of frame and you want to be swiping at the same time as you're flicking and interacting with this hologram. So let's say you're scrolling up Instagram, for example. As you're scrolling up with your thumb on your phone, you're also going to be swiping up on the hologram. Doing this will make sure that your actions and the hologram will match up when it comes to the editing process. This is going to make the effect much more believable and it's going to save you a massive headache in the edit. So once you've got the shot of your subject just swiping in the air and you've got the screen recording of you scrolling up and down on your phone, then you can jump into Premiere and we can begin with this effect. I'm just going to start by dragging the video clip of me swiping into Premiere. And as you can see, this is just me on the phone. The phone's out of the shot and I'm just swiping up in the air. Very basic, very simple. Now I'm going to throw the screen recording onto video layer 2. And once we've thrown that onto the timeline, you just want to go into effect controls, go to scale, and we'll pull the scale all the way down to around 45%. We want to make sure that the entire screen fits on the video. So we'll pull that down to around 45%. Then we'll go into effects, search for basic 3D. Drag basic 3D onto the screen recording of your phone. And as you can see in basic 3D, we can adjust the swivel and we can adjust the tilt. Now, first of all, we want to flip the image around. So we'll start with the swivel. We'll pull the swivel all the way around to around 200%. And then we'll pull the position of this over to the left. Now I'm just going to increase the scale just a little bit. And as you can see, if I play this back, it's not quite at the right angle. So I'm going to increase the swivel just a little bit more. I'm going to pull that up to around 220. Pull that over to the left. And then I'm going to decrease the opacity. So we'll decrease the opacity down to around 50%. And as you can see, it kind of looks like I'm touching the hologram, but it's still not quite in the perfect position. So I'm just going to tweak this, pull this over to the left a touch. And that looks really awesome. Although the problem is it's not quite in time. So now that we've got the hologram in position, we can go ahead and we can sync up the hologram effect to the footage of us swiping. So you want to zoom in to your footage and you want to make sure that the two sync up. So as you can see in my example, my hand swipes up, but there is a bit of a delay from the hologram. So I'm just going to pull the hologram over to the left just a touch. And there you go, that is the basic hologram effect now completed inside of Adobe Premiere Pro. This is a really basic effect, and if you wanted a more advanced hologram effect, then all you would have to do is drop this into Adobe After Effects. You could add some distortion onto the hologram, you could add some glow to the hologram, you could add some glowing onto the subject, so you could put a little bit of levels to show that the hologram is projecting light and casting that onto the subject. But if you're just after a very simple and very basic hologram effect, then this technique inside of Adobe Premiere Pro will serve you well. And there you go. Thank you for watching this video. I really do hope it helped. And if you're subscribed, then I will see you on the next video. See you there.